This is an Enduro Pipeline Services how-to video for properly setting up the Techless Caliper tool prior to beginning a survey. The rear push plate of the tool has been removed for video purposes only. Do not remove this push plate from the tool. Enduro provides a laptop computer, AGM2, and all of the cables required as part of the standard support equipment. Locate and remove the protective covers from the male and female ends of the power plug. Insert the male and female ends together, aligning the alignment tabs with their corresponding slots. Twist the male plug clockwise until it stops. A properly seated connection will cover the single red line of the female plug. Once connected, the tool is powered up. Locate and remove the protective cover of the communication port at the rear of the tool by unscrewing the cap counterclockwise. Locate the communication cable A and plug the USB micro B end into the communication port of the tool. Open the lid on the AGM2 box and locate and press the power button to turn the AGM2 box on. A light within the power button will illuminate, showing that the AGM2 box has been turned on. Once the AGM2 box has established a satellite connection, the GPS found light will remain on. Power the laptop computer on and allow it to fully boot up. Once fully booted, press the control key on the keyboard. A password must be entered to unlock the laptop computer. Password will be 4461934. Locate the communication cable A and plug the USB Type A end into the laptop computer USB port labeled Tool. Locate the Newcom TC64 icon on the desktop of the laptop computer. Double-click this icon to open the program. Communication between the Techless Caliper tool and the laptop should commence. When communication is established, a connected status will show up at the bottom of the screen. Locate the communication cable B and plug the USB Type B end into the AGM2 box. Then, take the USB Type A end, located at the other end of the same cable, and plug it into the laptop computer port labeled AGM2. Communication between the laptop and the AGM2 should commence. When communication is established, a connected status will show up at the bottom of the screen. Locate and click the tab at the top of the screen labeled Logger. Locate and click the Synchronize with AGM button on the screen. A pop-up window will open showing that the AGM2 box is in progress of synchronizing the AGM with the Techless Caliper tool. Once completed, a success window will open stating that the AGM and tool have successfully synchronized. Click OK to continue. Unplug the communication cable B from the AGM2 box and from the laptop computer. Unplug the communication cable A from the Techless Caliper tool and from the laptop computer. Replace the protective cover on the communication port at the rear of the Techless Caliper tool by screwing the cap clockwise until seated fully. It is very important that the protective cover is replaced to help ensure that nothing will get into the communication port during the survey, causing damage to the Techless Caliper tool. Shut down any programs that may still be open on the laptop computer. Power down the AGM2 box and the laptop computer to conserve battery life. Return the laptop computer, communication cables, and all other components to the Pelican case until required again. The Techless Caliper tool is now ready to be loaded into the pipeline.